Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'm going to review Airtable. The first thing I'm going to focus on are the main advantages and disadvantages I see in Airtable. Then I'm going to review what I like and don't like, and then pricing plans. So let's start. I'm not paid by Airtable and this is going to be just my honest review what I think about it. So let's start. Now, advantages and disadvantages of Airtable. Airtable is really complex project management or like task management, but on the other hand, it's difficult to learn and master, and we are going to master it together in this video. The first thing, if you would be in Airtable, you can see templates. So this is like huge for me, and like every project management which has templates, it's really good. Now you can also see when you would like click on a template, you can change between staff directory, agencies, and really set up a template to your desires. That's really good because it's going to make it simple for you. But you have first workspaces here, and if you would like click on the workspace, let's project tracker here. First, you can like simple create empty tables, and here what I like, it's a little bit too complex for me. Comparing to Asana, comparing to Monday.com, it's too complex, but that's me. Now, you just need to scroll down below where you have like tasks here. You just simply add a task, and you double click on it, right? And you can simply create a subtask, etc. Pretty cool, right? Now you can simply create a view or grid, form, calendar, gallery, Kanban. And you can simply move it and play around it as much as you want. Then what you can do is to simply move between tables and have like clients here. And you can simply, this is good, that you can simply add a field here. And now you can add like currencies, formulas, lookup, create time, create by, and play around it as much as you want. So you need to like learn how to use it. And then you can like simply add a button, open URL, create a field. Or you can go with lookup or in single select. Create options here and really create it as much as you want. And then you can like hide fields, but they are going to be still accessible. Then you're going to see our work and create the like as much as you want. But in my eyes, from the UX and UI perspective, Asana is much simpler to use. Monday.com feels better, but that's just my opinion on it. Now, to go further even, you can click plus here, create an empty table, and let me show you how it works. Table 1, grid view, okay. I can add the forms here, or galleries, or Kanban views. And that's pretty much it. Now, about the pricing, let me show you. You have the free version, which is perfect, that you can like see unlimited basis, 1,200 record per base. That's pretty cool. And like what I recommend, the plus version is not that different comparing to the free version. You get only this advantage of 5 GB 6 months and 5,000 records per base. What I recommend going with the pro version, with like $20 user per month, and that's like much better. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. But I recommend using Airtable. It's a good project management system, but it's difficult to master and like learn everything there. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.